So hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss why Arvind Kejriwal's bail plea was accepted but Hemant Soren's bail plea was rejected. So as we know, he is Arvind Kejriwal, Chief Minister of Delhi, and he is Hemant Soren, former Chief Minister of Jharkhand. So why Hemant Soren's bail plea to the Supreme Court was denied but Arvind Kejriwal's was accepted? After a bench of justices Deepankar Dutt or Satish Chandra Sharma refused to hear case, Soren's lawyer withdrew the petition. Why was Soren's plea denied while Arvind Kejriwal's was accepted? So the Supreme Court on May 22 refused to grant interim bail to former Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren to campaign in the Lok Sabha elections. Soren was challenged his arrest in money laundering cases. आपको आजकल तो पता है, आपको जो ऑपोजिशंस है उनके ऊपर ज़्यादा करके मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग के चार्जेस लगाए जाते हैं, सिंपल करप्शन के चार्जेस नहीं लगाए जाते. इट्स अ जनरल थिंग. Soren, who was challenged his arrest in money laundering cases, had sought parity with Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who was given 21 days of interim bail on May 10 to campaign. The voting will take place for 7 seats of Jharkhand in the last two phases on May 25 and June 1. So what is the case against Arvind Kejriwal? As we know, he is the Chief Minister of Delhi. Delhi is the national capital of India. So Delhi Chief Minister was arrested on March 21 in a money laundering case. यहाँ पे भी again money laundering case relating to Delhi exercise policy. Within 2 days, Kejriwal moved Delhi High Court, challenging the legality of the arrest. This was a crucial move. तो यहाँ पे अरविंद केजरीवाल की क्रूशियल मूव क्या थी? उन्होंने जो अरेस्ट है उसी को चैलेंज किया है. उन्होंने कहा कि दिस अरेस्ट इज इलीगल. In the process, a regular bail application is moved before the trial court and then can go to High Court and Supreme Court. However, the bar for granting the bail under the stringent PMLA, stringent का क्या मतलब है? Strict, बहुत ज़्यादा strict है, बहुत ज़्यादा difficult है. Stringent PMLA means Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Stringent PMLA is high. Bar for granting the bail under the stringent PMLA is high, making the grant bail extremely unlikely. Unlikely means बहुत ही मुश्किल है. So section 45 of the PMLA which deals with the power to grant bail, तो grant मिलने के लिए ये है section 45. So section 45 of the PMLA which deals with the power to grant bail requires accused to satisfy the court that the cases passes twin test. मतलब दो conditions है जो satisfy करता है अगर bail चाहिए तो. फर्स्ट केस क्या है? दैट देयर इज नो प्राइमा फेसी केस अगेंस्ट द एक्यूज्ड. जो एक्यूज्ड है उनके अगेंस्ट कोई केस ही नहीं बनता प्राइमा फेसी, एंड दैट द एक्यूज्ड इज नॉट लाइकली टू कमिट एनी ऑफेंस व्हाइल ऑन बेल. तो जब तक वो बेल में, ये सेकंड कंडीशन है, दैट द एक्यूज्ड इज नॉट लाइकली टू कमिट एनी ऑफेंस व्हाइल ऑन बेल. चैलेंजिंग द लीगैलिटी ऑफ अरेस्ट इटसेल्फ, ये क्रूशियल मूव था अरविंद केजरीवाल का. चैलेंजिंग द लीगैलिटी ऑफ द अरेस्ट इटसेल्फ yields द सेम रिलीफ, बट द बार इज सेड डिफरेंटली हियर. The accused has to prove that the ED Enforcement Directorate ED had no necessity to arrest and did not validly, ये एक important word है, did not validly exercise its power to arrest under section 19 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. A plea against the illegal arrest is filed before the Constitutional Court. This means that the accused can directly approach to High Court and then the Supreme Court, saving the time that might have been spent before the trial court in seeking bail. तो ये डायरेक्टली हाई कोर्ट गए, उसकी वजह से इनका जो टाइम वेस्ट होने वाला था वो नहीं हुआ. तो दिस वाज द क्रूशियल मूव. On April 9, the High Court upheld Kejriwal's arrest, after which he moved to the Supreme Court. Since the case was pending before the top court and final argument would take more time, Supreme Court considered releasing Kejriwal on interim bail, keeping in mind Lok Sabha polls. Although the Supreme Court said that by granting bail, it was not creating special circumstances for politicians, Kejriwal's political status was not lost in the court. मतलब क्या, यहाँ पे पॉलिटिशियंस के लिए सब पॉलिटिशियंस के लिए कोई स्पेशल स्टेटस, स्पेशल कंडीशन नहीं कंसिडर की गई, बट यहाँ पे अरविंद केजरीवाल का जो पॉलिटिकल स्टेटस है वो भी इग्नोर नहीं किया गया है. केजरीवाल्स पॉलिटिकल स्टेटस वॉज नॉट लॉस्ट इन द कोर्ट. इट डिड नोट, मतलब यहाँ पे एक ऑब्जर्वेशन नोट किया है, इट डिड नोट दैट अरविंद केजरीवाल इज द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ दिल्ली एंड लीडर ऑफ वन ऑफ द नेशनल पार्टी. आम आदमी पार्टी इज अ नेशनल पार्टी. In the trial, the ED filed a charge sheet against Kejriwal on May 17th. So what was the case against Hemant Soren? As we know, he is a leader of Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, JMM. So first of all, where is Jharkhand? This is Jharkhand. This is Delhi. And in between, you can see Uttar Pradesh. The former Jharkhand chief minister was arrested on January 31st on money laundering charges in land-related case. The same day, the Soren's lawyer had moved writ petition in the High Court challenging the legality of the arrest. The Jharkhand High Court reserved its verdict on February 28. 2 months later, dismissed the Soren's case. In the meantime, ED had filed charge sheet and trial court took cognizance of it on April 4. This is a routine step in pre-trial stage and necessary and essentially means that the court is made aware that the prosecution means ED. The prosecution has prima facie means pratham drashya, prima facie case against the accused. In this case, accused is Hemant Soren. So essentially means that the court is made aware that the prosecution has prima facie case against the accused. Later, the court has to examine the charge sheet and frame charges, after which the trial commences. While the High Court reserved its order for weeks, Soren had moved a bail application before the trial court. This has now been dismissed by the trial court. The Supreme Court felt that Soren was pursuing parallel remedies. By filing the bail application while also moving an appeal against the High Court order on legality of the arrest. The top court, means Supreme Court, the top court observed that the Soren should have instead pursued his bail plea remedy before the High Court. This led to his lawyer withdrawing the plea challenging the arrest. However, the senior advocate Kapil Sibal, senior advocate, Kapil Sibal appeared for Soren, argued that these are the distinct remedies leading to the same effect, the release of the accused. तो यहाँ पे हेमंत सोरेन और अरविंद केजरीवाल इन दोनों के बीच में 3 मेजर डिफरेंसेस है केस में. फर्स्ट, अनलाइक अरविंद केजरीवाल्स आप, that means Aam Aadmi Party, Hemant Soren's JAM is not a national party. Aam Aadmi Party is a national party. Soren had resigned as a chief minister. Arvind Kejriwal is a sitting chief minister of Delhi. Soren had resigned as a chief minister before his arrest. Unlike Kejriwal, he is not president of his party. Arvind Kejriwal is a president of Aam Aadmi Party. That president of his party, the post is held by his father Shibu Soren. So ये है Shibu Soren, father of Hemant Soren. So